Welcome, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now, Tectonic token still have about 500 trillion coins in circulation, and this is why so many people have not really been attracted to invest on Tectonic token. But Tectonic token needs to burn 70% of that coin in order to really start increasing in price. Now, Tectonic token can burn 300 trillion coins of Tectonic token. That is to say 70% need to be burned. Okay, I imagine having 500 trillion coins, and yet there is no project down that at least people will look at and say yes, they believe Tectonic token, once the burning increases, Tectonic token might be attracted to a lot of crypto investors. But Tectonic token for now is not really burning that kind of coin that will really attract people. But this coin still have a lot of coins in circulation. About 500 trillion coins in circulation is a whole lot. Although we know Shiba Inu have more coins in circulation than Tectonic token. Shiba Inu have about 549 trillion. But with 500 trillion, I think Tectonic token needs to burn these coins. And if they can burn 300 trillion coins, if they can burn 70% of this coin, Tectonic token is going to hit a massive increase in price between the level of 2,000 to 5,000% can be achieved with this if they can burn at least 70%. Okay, and also Tectonic need to get listed on exchanges like OKX, Kucoin, and Get.io. I want to go with these three for now because Get.io and Kucoin are one of the top best crypto exchange, and they always list coins on time. If they can list Tectonic token, I believe Tectonic token will really increase in price. And also Tectonic token need to run what we call social media campaign. Yeah, they need to run adverts on everywhere, on newspapers, on televisions, on radio, on Facebook, on Instagram, in order to get people aware of Tectonic token. People need to know that a coin, Tectonic token, is really existing, and this coin is a future. This coin is going to massively increase in price. But for now, they need to burn trillions of coins. Even though at least 70% need to be taken off, 70% needs to be destroyed in order for Tectonic to start gaining that attention, in order for Tectonic to start attracting people. And let's keep hoping for the best to come for Tectonic token. Once again, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.